So you love Nexton, you're thinking you want to be right in the middle of everything, but doggone it, those Nexton prices.
They're high.
They're high. They're very high.
They're just a little, I mean, lovely homes, but if only there was an option for a better priced home in Nexton, man, I would jump on it. I would love to see that.
Hey, Jeff, we're here.
If we haven't met, Jeff, Gregg, and Mark Klim here out in Nexton, Bradford Point, Centex neighborhood.
Yep.
Mark, this is right in the middle everywhere.
Yeah, we got like the shopping for Cane Bay right down the street, maybe a mile and a half. But you also got all Nexton has to offer.
All I can focus on
right
now is I said right in the middle of everywhere.
Right.
I meant to say right in the middle of everything.
Well,
but now I can't focus on anything else in the.
It doesn't matter.
It's right in the middle of everything.
And everywhere.
And everywhere. So, grocery store.
Grocery store, you got Publix.
Yep.
And then heading back towards Nexton, 2 new grocery stores coming.
The Harris
One of them's already
Teeter
here.
Is like bonkers.
They got
crazy.
a bar in
It's
there.
got music. Sometimes they have bands in there and beer and wine. Listen, can you imagine if you go in and get drunked up at Harris Teeter and have a couple wines and then you go, can you imagine the damage we would do in the potato chip aisle?
Honey, can you get the golf cart and come pick me up?
That would be amazing if you had to be picked up from the grocery store.
Nothing wrong with that at all.
No,
Right?
but okay, so what else is over there? There is...
The new Publix is going to be across the street.
Yep.
All kinds of shopping over there. You've got Nexton Square, of course,
yeah,
where our office is, that has amazing restaurants. You got Hall's Chop House, Page's Ochre Grill, what's that other, Pugin Southern.
Pugin's.
You've got Viva Chicken, you've got the Codfather, you've got Vicious Biscuit, which there was a line out to the street today.
Try to go to Vicious Biscuit like Monday through Friday.
Yeah.
Saturday and Sundays are bonkers. It's out the
insane.
door. I think that's twice now I've said bonkers in one video.
Yeah, bonkers is good enough.
I don't understand why I'm saying
that's the word
like
of the day.
Bonkers. Today's video is brought to you by the letter L, the number 7, and the word bonkers.
That's from Sesame Street.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's the letter? What's the letter? What's the letter? What's the letter?
I rolled into a Sesame Street.
Wait, what's the number?
What is the number?
Count always has
7.
a number.
It was 7.
7. Okay. I missed it.
1, 2,
3,
3, 4,
5,
6,
7.
7.
Didn't he go at the end?
Yes. Yeah. Pretty much all.
We're not talking about real estate at all right now. So co-location in between Nexton and Cane Bay, so you can get by golf cart to everything that those two areas have to offer.
And there's a golf cart trail that goes all the way down. You can run it, you can bike it, you can walk it. Just don't do it in the middle of August, because in the middle of the day, because the sun is beating on that trail.
Drop over dead.
You probably melt.
Yeah.
You probably melt for sure. But here in Bradford Point, there were 6 homes that were dropped last night into MLS. So I wanted to come out and try to get them. There's 2 floor plans. There's the Ibis and the Whimbrel. The Ibis is ranch. The Whimbrel is a 2-story, 5-bedroom with 1 bedroom down.
Big old house.
Yeah. So we're gonna go see those right now.
Let's go see them. So Mark, what we don't have a ton of all the time, especially in spec homes here in Summerville, is 4-bedroom ranch homes.
4-bedroom is tough to find for
Yeah,
sure.
it really is. There's a lot of 2-bedroom ranch homes here in Summerville. So having a 4.2 at over 1,700 square feet in a ranch is a pretty good find. This is the Ibis.
Ibis, I think.
Ibis.
Yeah.
Ibis model here. Let's go.
So they just released 3 of these, Jeff, that will be done July, August time frame.
All right.
So perfect timing right before school starts.
Yeah.
To get moved in, especially if you're coming from somewhere else.
There you go.
Yep.
I like how they did the vertical and the horizontal in the house.
Yeah, a little different, right? Almost gives it that board and batten look.
So the walls have been prepped. Their drywall is up. Right in the front room here, we've got 2 bedrooms with a shared full bathroom here. So let's call this bedroom number 1.
Okay.
Reach-in closet here. Looks like they're putting the mount up there for a ceiling fan. Now they won't put a ceiling fan in here probably, but our people just had them afterwards.
Go on Amazon and find whatever you like, because there's so much more.
It is easier to go to Amazon. Andrew and I went over to Home Depot and Lowe's or whatever, and then we ended up going to a ceiling fan store here in Charleston. That was like a 9-day process.
Oh, I'm sure.
It was too much.
And it's like double the money, right?
It was, but we did end up buying like a really amazing ceiling fan for the living room.
Oh, that's right. You said it blows like 5,000
5,000
BTUs or
cubic inches of air per minute in the regular builder's grade fans.
CIA?
CIA. Well, how do we get like FBI? What are we talking about here? They blow, baby. They blow. Full bathroom
That's
here.
what she said.
And good placement. And there's another one, another bathroom with a bathroom.
This is about the same size, right?
You got me all beside myself now.
It's Saturday, that's why. We're doing video on Saturday.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I think those are pretty similar bedrooms. So we've got a closet
HVAC.
here with HVAC, and see how it's sunken down in there? That's in
Yeah.
case there's ever a leak, it doesn't come out and ruin your floors.
Okay.
Laundry room here, 2-car garage, and bedroom number 3, which I think is about the same exact one as.
I think so, right? Same closet and everything.
Yeah,
Okay.
they are all very, very equal.
This would be a good office because it's not near the bathroom.
I use that front one. I want to be able to look out the front windows.
Okay.
Coming from an office that we don't have windows in our office. So big open space. I mean, well used, 1,700 square feet.
Yeah.
So there's a pantry. That's going to be
That's a pantry,
right?
yep.
Yeah. And
This is one of my favorite floor plans that Centex builds.
it's very nice.
It's very well used space.
Totally functional.
Yep.
So cabinets are in. Look at these. You can tell the
Bigger
island's going to
islands,
come out
yeah.
to here. So the way it's set up, you'd be able to put a couple stools here under the island.
Mm-hmm.
And then out back, we've got a little double patio porch. So we've got half undercover.
Oh, a little
And
step
then they
down.
put another one out there, yeah.
Oh, that's cool. So this one's backed up to homes. They do have some that are backed up to a fence, a small tree line, and then other houses behind the tree line. But they put a fence the whole way across.
Oh, nice.
So that you have some privacy and you don't have to put up the back portion.
And you could totally put up some shrubbery back here,
Oh,
some
yeah.
palm trees, some buffer zone type thing.
And you never know. You might even like your neighbors.
It's possible.
Mm-hmm.
I like my neighbors now.
Especially in South Carolina.
I have to say I like my neighbors now because they watch my
They
channel.
watch you.
But yeah, but no, but I really do like them. I've never had a bad neighbor.
That's good.
I'm thinking of it. No, I've been really lucky. I've had good. Now, if you asked all of them, I might. Yeah.
So it's that whole thing.
Yeah,
like,
if you don't see them around you, it might be you.
It might be you. Yeah,
I might be the bad neighbor.
All right, let's go in the primary bedroom. This is a pretty good sized primary, I think.
Yeah,
You can definitely fit a king bed across this wall.
definitely with tables on either side.
Yep.
Oh, look at this.
Pretty big shower with the insert.
This is like I feel like this is, I don't know, like a crime scene kind of a thing. I don't. What happened?
Dexter?
Yeah.
Remember that movie, Dexter?
I love that show.
Oh yeah,
Did you see the last episode?
yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was a little.
I wanted more.
Yes, exactly.
I wanted more. He goes out and becomes a logger or something.
Toilet?
No enclosed throne.
Yeah, no water
So-
closet. It's just a water
Pooping
place.
out in public. Public
But
pooping.
you got a little. You're hidden.
You're on the bend?
Yeah, you're around the bend.
All right.
Hey, we're under 400,000 on this house. You know what I mean?
Yeah, in 37 or 20,
17.
1700, 37, like this feels a little small for 3,700. For 1,700, I think it's great space.
Yeah, absolutely. And a lot of people like that it's still open out here. Like it's kind of kitty cornered a little bit from the kitchen, but it's still open to the kitchen.
Can I be honest with you about
Yeah.
something? I thought you were saying that wrong the whole time. kept
Did you look
saying-
it up?
I did look it up. And catty corner and kitty corner are both accepted.
Okay. So I'm okay. You still like me.
I thought you were wrong. I'm like, I went home one night and I said, Andrea, you would believe what that bonehead said on a video today. It's like, no, it's catty corner. How does he do it? And I went and looked it up. You are not wrong.
See, I made it right. I just put it in the dictionary.
And I owned it. I admitted that.
Yeah, on video you admitted.
On video. Nice house.
Yeah, let's go see the 2-story now with 5 bedrooms.
Nice.
All right, this is the Whimbrel plan. Whimbrel. Did I say it right?
Well, I don't know. Whimbrel.
Whimbrel.
That's a weird sounding name.
Yeah.
You can rename it if you buy it.
So it's 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. So if you have, you know,
A herd of people.
yeah.
And just looking in the garage here, I like how they did like an extra
Little space over there.
Yeah, because this way you could throw your freezer out here.
Or a little workshop bench.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have a freezer or refrigerator in your garage?
I have a fridge, yeah.
Refrigerator.
Yeah.
Does it have a freezer over top?
Side by side.
Okay.
But there's no plug in there. Like, why would you make that and not put a plug?
Yeah, Mark will come over and put a plug in for you.
All right. You want to go through the front door?
Yeah.
So a nice little porch out here.
Mark really won't come over and put a plug in. Your
No.
house would burn down.
Maybe Lindsay Electric. All right, so you walk into like a flex space here.
Yeah, big one.
Yeah, huge. You can be an office, could be a formal dining room.
Yep.
You got a closet right here. Then this would be a closet pantry. I think it's pantry. Kitchen over here. And I think this one, yeah, the sink is under the window. So you can wash dishes while you look outside at the road.
What are you, 90? We don't have dishwashers now?
Some people like to wash everything by hand.
Back in my day, we used to have to wash the dishes by hand.
Let's go look at this. So that would be a good little bar area.
Yep.
I like that. Covered porch, and then you got your separate again.
Yeah,
I like it.
that was a lot bigger too.
Yeah. Backing up the houses again, but again, we've got some that are back up to woods that is a protected preserve across the street too. And then this is a pretty big living room.
It is.
Lots of lighting, it looks like. Or at least in the kitchen.
Yeah, look like we could put a pre-wire in here for a ceiling fan in the living room.
So this is just a guest bedroom in this one.
Okay, so
Could
if you like
be
your
an office.
mother-in-law, you could put her in here, and
Yeah.
if home office is good,
Yep.
could be another. You know what I would do? Well, not now, but where we were in life 5 years ago, 10 years ago, I would have made this like a playroom.
Playroom.
Yeah, get all the toys out of the living room.
Yeah, for sure. And then full bathroom right here.
Okay, so that's for the guest room, and
Yep.
yeah.
Let's go upstairs. So there should be 4 full bedrooms up here. And I think there's a loft as well, if I remember right.
Let's see if you're right. Yes, you are, sir. Big loft.
Yeah, good sized loft. And it kind of goes around the corner to the bedroom. The first bedroom, second bedroom, last bedroom, whatever you want
So a bedroom over here.
to call it.
Big for a secondary with a, was this gonna be an ensuite or a walk-in closet? Walk-in closet.
Closet, yeah. And then you have your laundry room here, I believe. Yep, laundry room there. And then this is the primary.
Yep.
Check out the size of this closet.
Oh yeah. That's good.
And this is under 450.
In
So-
Nexton.
In Nexton, yeah, under 450. And you get 2,650 square feet.
So
Another secondary,
bedroom.
another full bathroom. So there's your 3 bathrooms, primary here and one downstairs.
Yep.
And
Look at you counting all the way to 3. You didn't take your shoes off or nothing. You did that like a champ.
and then another secondary with a walk-in closet.
A big walk-in closet for a secondary.
Right? I like that slope.
Yep, nice big house, lots of space, great price, right in the middle of Nexton, love it.
Yep.
So it's sunny day here in Summerville. We got hot. We had to find some shade to
We
finish
get
this
the-
video
it's
out.
hot, man.
It is hot.
Gosh.
Air conditioning's ripping in these houses though. It'll be great. It'll be nice when you live here.
Hey, I just noticed. Is it weird that you're in new construction and somebody puts a flyer on your back windshield?
I saw the agent drive by in the golf cart and she knew it was us.
Yeah. She was just letting us know about
Yeah,
it. We already looked
there's,
it up.
There's paper sitting in Mark. You know when you go to like a
shopping
yeah, and people
plaza.
put the things in
Yeah.
the. We should do that for real estate.
Hey,
Just
we could
put like the YouTube channel on because people would love that. They love having to come out to their car and having crap all over
pull
the
it
car.
off,
Yeah.
and they'll be
hate it.
commenting and saying, yeah, we won't do that.
So great neighborhood, really great pricing compared to a lot of what is in Nexton, but still the amazing Nexton location. Big fan of this. That 5-bedroom is massive, really big, nice price points. If you have any questions, Mark, what's the best way to get a hold of us?
Yeah, down in the description, if you click on the link that says book a Zoom call, we can do a Zoom call from no matter where you are in the country. That way we get face to face. We can learn a little bit more about you, what you're looking for in the home that you want to buy and the lifestyle you want to live here in South Carolina for the budget that you're looking to pay. And we can find the right community and the right house for you.
Remember, this video brought to you by the number 7.
Number of the day is 7.
We'll see you in the next one.
See ya.